Hi, this is Monster Restore 91, and today we're going to replace on this 2021 Toyota Tacoma, third generation. We're going to put Michelin wipers because the passenger side door will rip apart. So we're going to change both wipers. There's one that it's 20 and a 22. So we're gonna replace it right now. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's an easy process. So you pry that thing up like that with a knife or a what's it called? A knife or a flat screwdriver. So he pried it up right here. So now what you do is there's like a hook right here. So basically what you do is just grab it right here so you don't break the arm. Slide it down. There you go, see the hook right here? So it goes right here, just slide it up. So this one is also done. So it's always good to get ready during winter when there's like rain and all that. So you could, because this is dangerous, this is a hazard. You could get into a car accident for not replacing the wipers. So that's what we're showing you right now, how to replace the wiper. So this is a long one, the long wiper. The other one is more smaller, and that one goes on the passenger side. So the measurements, like I said, they're right here, the 22 and the 20. So the longer one goes on the driver's side, and the smaller one goes on the passenger side. So as you can see right here, is different. This is a stock one, this is the original one. So the Michelin, they come with adapters, but in this case you don't need it. So what you need is just to make sure it's kind of rounded right here. You could see like the round, so it goes around the hook right here. So I'm gonna put it until it clips on. So you just go like this. Till you hear the little clip. So shake it a little bit, doesn't come out, and remove this like plastic right here. Just remove it like that. Make sure there's nothing, no other plastic. So now you could just set it down, and now onto the other side. So again, you pry it open with a flat screwdriver or a knife. Just be careful if you're using the knife. So now you just pry it open. See? Then put the knife away, close it down so you don't scratch the truck. Put it in your pocket. Like I said, hold it like this. Push it down. Pull it out. Simple as that. So now we're gonna put on the new one. Remember to remove this plastic one. There we go. Remember this round thing right here? It goes like that until you hear the clip. It's just the same as this one. So it goes like that. So now put it right here on the hook. See, hear the click. Shake it a little bit. There you go. So now it's gonna have new wiper blades for the winter. So now it's safe to drive when there's strong rains or winter storms. Now you're protected. It's not a driving hazard. So thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up.